Hello friends, this is our second adventure for this most expensive tree wood in the world, the agar wood, Lapnisan tree. We call this Lapnisan. So look at the seedlings. We're about to plant this one, and then look at the seeds. We are the one taking picture with these seeds. It's not from internet. Look at the close-up. See, looks like the picture in the internet. So we are trying now to do an experiment, and then we'll check this one after 4 months. We'll see how this tree will be infected, and of course you know already that this is really expensive. So we have also here in Bukidnon, so please follow us, our active. Again, to my friends, this is illegal to cut this kind of trees wood, but we need to preserve and to plant more agar wood or Lapnisan tree. Thank you. Hello po mga guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and of course click always the notification bell for you to be updated para sa ating mga susunod na mga videos. Thank you for sharing.